Most guys think models are born lucky. Perfect jawline, flawless hair, sharp style. But truth is, models aren't born, they're built. And today, I'll show you exactly how an average guy can look like a model. Step by step. Step 1. Face and grooming. Your face is your brand. Models don't necessarily have perfect genetics, they just maximize what they've got. Eyebrows. Listen bro, if you've got those random jungle hairs growing between your eyebrows, remove them. Clean the middle. Nobody's booking you for a runway with a unibrow. Beard. If it's patchy, go clean shave. If it's full, keep it sharp. Models never look half done. Skin. This one is huge. No glowing skin, no model look. Simple routine works. Wash twice a day. Moisturize? Yes, even if you think it's girly. Sunscreen. Trust me, nothing ruins your face faster than sun damage. Good grooming alone can take you from this to this. Step 2. Hair that fits you. Models don't all have the same haircut. They have the right haircut for their face. Round face, more volume on top. Short sides. Long face, avoid tall hairstyles, keep it medium. Square face, bro, you won the genetic lottery. Buzz cut, slick back, fade, anything works. And please, wash your hair. Oily, greasy hair doesn't look mysterious. It just looks like you don't shower. Step 3. Build a model-like physique. You don't need a bodybuilder's mass. Models are lean, athletic, and proportional. Workout 3 to 5 times a week. Focus on chest, shoulders, back, and abs. This creates the V-shaped look. Diet. Stop thinking one pizza will kill you, but also stop eating like pizza as a food group. Balance is key. Posture. Stand tall, chest open, shoulders back. Slouching makes you look smaller and insecure instantly. Step 4. Dress like a model. Models don't try hard with fashion. They keep it simple, clean, and fitted. Cheat code? Stick to neutral colors. Black, white, navy, gray, beige. Focus on fit. Not too tight, not baggy. And for the love of style, keep your shoes clean. Dirty sneakers will ruin everything, no matter how good your hair and body look. Even a plain white tee can look runway level if it fits you right. Step 5. Confidence and aura. This is the glue that holds everything together. Make eye contact. Not creepy staring, just confident. Walk like you're going somewhere important. Speak slowly and clearly. Confidence isn't loud, it's calm. And nothing looks more impressive than a guy who feels comfortable in his own skin. Final word. Looking like a model isn't about being born perfect. It's about strategy. Clean up your face, get the right haircut, build a lean physique, dress sharp and simple, and carry yourself with confidence. Do this, trust me, you're going to look 10 times better than you ever thought possible.